Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you see in the title, I am upgrading my headlights to LEDs, and my sponsor Auxito LED has sent me some low beam LED bulbs and some taillight bulbs, which I'm very excited because I'm still running the stock bulbs and I can't wait to put on the LEDs, because I do have the high beams, which I really can't use when driving around other people because it's really against the law, and well, I don't want to blind people. But with these LEDs, it will just be so much better. Not these early 90s bulbs, late 80s. But anyways, yeah, so same thing with the high beams. If this thing don't fall, we have gloves. Everything is slippery on this thing. We got gloves, we got little zip ties, we got instruction manual, put that over there, and we got the bulbs right here. Literally just twist the old one off, plug this one in, twist it in, and you're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. First thing we really want to do is go ahead and unplug it. Boom, there we go. Go ahead, turn this counterclockwise. Boom, there we go. And this should come out. Yeah, I don't think this has been taken out. Never, probably just been in there since 1991, which, oh, there we go. Look at that, the old original. This thing looks clean. Is this original? I actually don't even know if this is original or not. Interesting. Let me look at the other side. It looks like it might have been replaced at one point. It's not LED, so go ahead, throw that over there, and let's get the new one. All right, so I have the new one right here, and there is a specific way it goes in. For these, the wire does go down. We got the small part up here. Should just go in like that, like so. Should just be able to lock it in place. Boom, like that. So then now, you get your plug, and it should be plug and play, which I will plug it in a bit, and organize the wiring, because I do have quite a bit of wiring right here. All right, so I got one side in, did a little semi wire tucking. So now, oh, you can already tell, it's a lot brighter. Ooh. Look at that. The before and the after. Dude, they look good. You can even tell. Let's see if I block this side. Still pretty good. And then if I block this side, it's does the job. But now I'm gonna go ahead and go on this side, take this one out. Actually, just turn off before it gets pretty hot. All right, so all these that I know of are all original. Yeah, no, I mean, they are just the stock bulbs. But then go ahead and push the brakes. So those are gonna be the ones that are gonna be replacing, and you know, they're decent. I guess in video it kind of looks a little bit brighter, but I'm gonna put one on just like how I did in the front. And yeah, I'm excited. I do later want to get like what my dad did with S1000. Well, I think he did with the center one. It was like the flashing one, like the Indy cars. When you brake though, not like all the time. If you have that, that's whacked. Change it, take it off. So you gotta take off that little plastic right there, and then the bulb should just be right there. It's this one right here. This one, right? Yeah. Well, yeah, it's right there. Yeah. Oh, it's a little warm. I actually should be dealing with it. I have the gloves. There we are. Got the rear taillight bulbs, and they look pretty fancy. Not gonna lie.
They got lights everywhere.
Focus. There you go. Yeah, that looks pretty dope. Look like a disco ball. Well, yeah, should just be plug-in. My phone is. Yep. I mean, oh yeah, look at that. I think there's only one way it goes in.
No, it's specific too.
Go ahead and put that on, and then we can turn on the lights. Oh, it's more of a red. It's like a deep red.
Oh, wow, that's such a nice.
So my sponsor, when he hit me up, he was like, "Do you either want red or do you want the white?" And I thought more red. Oh, whoa, it's bright. Oh yeah, you can even tell on camera. Let me turn this off. You can tell on the reflection too. Yeah, it's funny, the original one lags a little bit. All right, now same for the other side. Gotta go, let's put this up. I do have an LED bulb, but, or whatever it is right here, LED, but it's not from Auxito. I will get that later on. But basically, rip this thing off. Be careful. Twist it counterclockwise. Carefully come out, and boom, there it is. It's a little warm because we just turned it on. I gotta use both hands because I don't want to break the glass. It's not gonna be good. Okay, so you do have to twist it counterclockwise because this is like a locking thing. Twist it to the left, and it comes out. So now, go ahead and put the last one in. Alrighty guys, so I wanted to come out here and show you guys, it's obviously I wanted to come out here because it's pitch black, pretty dark, and I wanted to show you guys that how bright these low beam on my CRX are, how bright they are. So if you turn them on, boom, dude, look at that. This is just low beam that you can see a lot from, like, yeah, you can see a lot. Even if we go inside, oh, there's someone. I wasn't planning for someone to come, but yeah, you can see that they're pretty bright. And while I was gonna do high beams, but now that we have a car in front, it's yeah. But if you guys haven't watched my high beam install, go check that out. The high beams went basically like a 180 sweep of, so you can see it over there and over here. But yeah, so these are pretty bright, the headlights. Oh yeah, they even look real good too. If you guys want a pair of your own, go down to the description, hit that link, search up your car, get the right bulbs, and use code SV15 to save 15% off on your order. So if you guys liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and subscribe with that notification bell on. Until next time, peace. Look how bright they are! Wow!